Hey America, it's Vince with Creative Rods. Today on Shop Walk, we're going to take you into our interior and assembly shop and see what we got going on in there. Check it out. Hello! What's going on in assembly and interior? Nate Dog. Foaming. Working on the Bronco as well. Got the T-Bird back in. Owner was going to finish it himself, but just didn't have the time. Still got the 69 Camaro. Got the ZL1 C10. Y'all probably seen that on the internet. Y'all know that character right there?
That's right.
Little Trey, Travis.
Professor T.
In
the house.
You gonna finish up this C10?
Sooner or later.
LS1.
Juan.
Oh, we got Country back in the house.
Oh, Country.
Oh, she went and had her little interior done. That's before Nate Dog got here. Nate Dog does all our interior now. Interior.
Got some interior.
Oh yeah.
Nate Dog.
So she's going on a new frame, Willwood brakes. She's gonna be worked on a little bit.
Nate Dog.
What you doing here today? What you trying to finish up?
Well, putting screws in, taking screws out, getting fat.
A little chunky monkey.
I heard fat's where it's at. Thin's where you been.
You trying to be like me, ain't you?
What's that? Comedian?
Fat?
Yeah. I'm just trying to fit in with the rest of them. Oh, you fat too?
Nate ain't fat.
Nate ain't fat.
Well, wait, let's just take a look inside this C10 here. I'll go to the other side. We've got wiring left, as you can see. Travis got a mess on the floor.
Oh yeah, gotta have this.
Some gauges in here. Customer opted for some TMI interior on this one. It's gonna be nice. And this bad boy. ZL1 Corvette motor or Camaro motor in it.
LS3 supercharged.
Supercharged.
TCI frame.
TCI frame. Been autocross. We're doing a little touch up for it. Got the inner fenders out for the owner. I believe he's gonna put it up for sale.
Look for it, Barrett Jackson.
Yeah, I think it's going to Barrett Jackson. You pick us out any interior yet?
We're gonna go brown?
I think we're gonna do saddle brown or something like that.
Cool.
All right, if you like our videos, please like, share, and subscribe. We need some more followers. Have a good one. What?
I mean, I don't think I'm...
You ain't got nothing funny to say today? I mean, what, you want to talk about what the lady at Wendy's talked about to you, you know?
Oh, she said that I was cute as a button. She said when you 40 like me, you gonna be all that. She said you cute as a button. Ain't no way you 21.